it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about the silicone sink splash guard. So if you're like me with my sink and you just don't want to make a mess with the water everywhere, this is ideal to have, and it's fully adjustable. So let's open this up and check this out. So here it is. It's a splash guard, and what's nice about it is the water will run down here and into your sink and not behind your sink like I always have an issue with mine. So this is easy to install. I added the adapter to it just to make sure it fits. As you can see, the back part itself, it kept the water from splashing over my sink and onto the back part of my counter, ultimately damaging my counter, which I didn't want. So the water ran off smoothly. It fit perfectly on my sink. This was simple and easy to install. It comes with an adapter in case you need to adjust it in size. This works well, and I got this free for review, and this is something that I'm going to be using all the time, and I highly recommend.